These delicate paper-thin square pasta pockets are a work of art filled with luscious mixture of creamy cheese and fresh aromatic herbs. Each bite melts in your mouth, delivering a perfect balance of rich and light flavors. Whether served in a warm broth, lightly sauteed in butter, or baked with a golden crust of cheese, ravioli is comfort food with an elegant twist. Pogne de Romans. This isn't your average brioche. Pogne de Romans is a sweet, pillowy bread infused with the enchanting aroma of orange blossom water, a flavor that brings a touch of springtime to every bite. Made with simple, wholesome ingredients: flour, eggs, butter, and sugar. This traditional treat is lovingly kneaded and shaped into a beautiful crown, and the secret is patience. Pithiviers. Named after the charming town of Pithiviers in the Loiret department, this round golden pie is as beautiful as it is delicious. Beneath its stunning scalloped crust lies a luscious filling of almond cream, rich, nutty, and irresistible smooth. Each layer of the puff pastry is delicately folded to create a crisp, golden shell that gives way to the creamy aromatic center. This traditional dish is a celebration of simple, wholesome ingredients: tender cabbage, creamy white beans, and the rich, savory goodness of confit de canard. Breton, a traditional French dessert that's as simple as it is irresistible. Imagine a rich custard-like cake perfectly baked until golden, with juicy prunes nestled inside, giving every bite a burst of natural sweetness. Coussin de Lyon. This unique confection shaped like a tiny cushion is a luxurious combination of marzipan and chocolate ganache, with just a hint of liqueur to elevate its flavor. The marzipan, naturally tinted green, wraps around the rich, creamy chocolate center to create a treat that's as delightful to the eyes as it is to the palate. Bugnes Lyonnaises. These delicate fritters, golden and dusted with powdered sugar, are the carnival season favorite, bringing a touch of sweetnesses to celebrations. Made with a simple dough of eggs, flour, butter, and a hint of zest, they are rolled out thin and fried to perfection, creating a satisfying crunch with every bite.